Have you ever wondered if by mistake or by any mean you destroyed your keyboard key and want to fix it back? Hi there everyone, my name is Preetam and in this video we will be talking about this issue, that how we can fix our keyboard key and place it back successfully in our keyboard. So let me just quickly show you what the things that you need to keep in mind. So here we have got three things. If your keyboard key parts look different, then I would suggest you or recommend you to have a look on another video. And if it looks kind of similar to this one, then maybe the process or the methodology of fixing your keyboard might be same. So here let me just quickly show you. Here we have got these two parts. Now one part will obviously go inside, and here if I'm going to show you, you can see at one side there is a rectangular hole, and in another side this hole look like square this side. Now what we need to do actually is we need to insert this part inside this. Now we will try to find out the slot direction in the bigger part. So here we can see the slot direction is here, and now I will keep this thing, the larger portion, okay, that going to fit inside this on the top. So here we can see it is already on the top, on the upper side. Now let me just rotate it and place it like this. Now you can see that this got fitted inside this. Now I will try to place this inside here in this cavity. And here also we can see we have got different slots available. So okay, so now if I try to place it like this, the rectangular slot will be on the lower direction. Now let's try to fit it. And here we go, we have inserted this thing here. Now I will try to assemble it, and here we go. As you can see, we have successfully installed this key inside. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for such content, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.